Good morning student. In the previous class we have completed the chapter number 2 polynomial and we have completed all the exercise, and now you complete your fair book everything in the up to second chapter. Then we will go for the new chapter, coordinate geometry. What is coordinate geometry? Already you have studied x and y axis. With reference to the x and y axis we are going to study this geometry, coordinate geometry. So this coordinate geometry, initially this study was developed by a French philosopher and mathematician René Descartes. He is a French person. He has developed this study of coordinate geometry. So in his name they have given the name for this coordinate geometry system. So what do you call this one? Cartesian coordinate system they are calling in his name, Cartesian coordinate system. In what coordinate, Cartesian coordinate system, what you are going to study? How to locate a point, how to measure the distance, at what distance that point is located, at what distance the object is located. So distance, to measure the location of the point and the distance, this Cartesian coordinate system will be used. Okay. And Cartesian coordinate system will be having other name also they are calling. What is that? Cartesian coordinate system, or xy plane, or coordinate plane, or coordinate axis. Okay. Coordinate axis. And what is the coordinate system or coordinates? Cartesian coordinate system will contain. It contains x and y axis. What is that x and y axis? Already you know how to draw the graph. Horizontal line will be called as x axis and the vertical line will be called as a y axis. What is that x and y axis? Is nothing but a number line. It is nothing but a number line, where 0 will be the middle of the number line and the positive number will be on the right hand side and negative number on the left hand side. The horizontal line where the number line is called in the axis, that is called x dash axis or x axis, or it is also called as abscissa. Okay, the horizontal line is called as x axis or x dash axis or abscissa, where it is similar to the number line. 0 will be the middle and the positive number on the right hand side and negative number on the left hand side. Same number line, if you are rotating in a vertical direction, that line is called as y axis. In other words, y dash axis. Y axis is also called in other term ordinate axis. Okay. So here also middle will be 0. That means origin. And it will be divided. Above will be positive and the below will be negative number. And both this horizontal and vertical line intersect at the 0 origin point, form an axis. X axis and y axis, x dash, y dash. And x axis and y axis intersect at the origin vertically, perpendicularly, 90 degree perpendicularly. So right side of the axis 0 will be positive, left side of the horizontal axis negative, and above the y axis, above line in the y axis, that is positive number, and below the y axis is the negative number. That is why it is represented as y and y dash, x and x dash. This axis intersect perpendicular and form how many part it will be formed? 4 part. That 4 part is called as a quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So this axis quadrant formed in a plane called Cartesian coordinate plane. This quadrant plus this axis plus this integer all together, it is called as a Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, Cartesian coordinate system, where the system is divided into 4 quadrants. And what is the particular thing about the quadrant? Each quadrant is having a specific coordinate point. What is that? Coordinate integers. What is that? X this side, y this side, x dash left side and y dash below. So what is the speciality of the quadrant, 4 quadrant form? So each quadrant have coordinate point with the xy coordinate point with the positive and negative integers. So what will be the integer in the first quadrant? What will be in the second quadrant? What will be in the third quadrant? Let us see. First quadrant, x axis positive, y axis positive. So positive integer will be there. And second quadrant, x axis negative, y axis positive. So negative positive will be there. And third quadrant, both x axis and y axis are negative. So negative will be plotted. And fourth quadrant, x axis positive, y axis negative, positive will be plotted. So here always when you are plotting x comma y, that is the ordered pair. X comma y you have to plot it on the quadrant. quadrant axis. Okay. So first quadrant contain plus and plus, second quadrant contain minus plus, third quadrant will be containing minus minus, fourth quadrant is plus negative. Okay. When you are plotting a point in the axis, according to this you have to say, suppose they are giving minus number, in which quadrant it is coming means you have to say third quadrant. Suppose minus plus it is coming means where it is coming, where you will plot means you have to say in the second quadrant. That way also they will ask in the problems. Okay. Then what is the next step? X coordinate. How the x coordinate will be plotted? X coordinate is plotted at a perpendicular distance from y axis. That perpendicular distance from y axis. Y axis is this one. Perpendicular distance is this one. So it will be plotted. Suppose 2 means it will be plotted here. And y coordinate, it is at perpendicular distance from x axis. From x axis, y coordinate number will be, suppose positive is above the line we will be marking. Then if you draw a line passing through these two, it will intersect. That is the position of the location of the given object. So this point is our required point. So how to write it? That point A or B, some letter you will give. Then x, y you have to write. X coordinate and y coordinate in the order that you have to write. Okay. That is the method of plotting the given point on the coordinate system. That is in the graph xy coordinate plane. So x coordinate is at a perpendicular distance from y axis and y coordinate is a perpendicular distance from x axis. Using above x and y coordinate can be located. So the point can be located, the object at what place it is kept that we can locate it. So x, y we are writing in a order form. So what we are studying? What is coordinate geometry? Who developed that coordinate geometry? What is the purpose of coordinate geometry? And in coordinate geometry, what is present there? X axis, y axis, and x axis another name is called abscissa, and y axis is called as ordinate, and x axis will be horizontal line, and y axis will be a perpendicular line. Both will intersect at origin O 0, and both will be perpendicular to each other. This axis intersect and form a four quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. And each quadrant will be having a specific integer with signs. Okay, first quadrant will be plus plus, second quadrant will be minus plus, third quadrant will be minus minus, and the fourth quadrant will be plus minus. So up to this one we will complete today, and tomorrow in the next class we will continue with the other part of the portion. Thank you.